Check out this dragonfly. It's right next to my tools. You're cool. Alright, I'm gonna let him outside. Hey y'all, Jason here from Freedom and Farm in Arbor. And if you like chicken and videos of chickens, go ahead and hit that subscribe button because that's what I make videos of. Hey Mamba, how you doing, boy? Earlier I went to go get my sledgehammer to break apart what was remaining of the frame of my raised beds, and I kind of felt like Hercules. I took one whack and the entire thing came crashing down. But as you can see, the end that was in the ground is bug ate. So, Hercules, I am not. Today we're checking on the Red Rangers. They are 27 weeks old. The water on the tractor that I am going to build up into a mobile eggmobile. These three are still in contention for main rooster of the Red Rangers flock. They are working their little tails off, prepping the area where my raised garden bed is going to be. As they're getting older, they're getting more and more beautiful, and it's getting harder to pick one to be the rooster. I might end up with two flocks. That way I only have to figure out which one I'm going to take instead of which two. That would be depending on whether I think I have two flocks worth of hens in the other. Let me go take a look. What do you think, girls? Are you all contendas? Should I build two mobile egg carts? I don't know. We'll have to see about that. I'll have to think on it, and I have to look at these birds. And see if I have. I'd have to really take a look at these birds and see if I have two flocks worth of females. I mean, I know mathematically I have 10, so 5 and 5 would work. So, yeah, I might do that. See what happens. You may have all been reprieved. Who knows? That is, unless you've changed your mind, Hoss, and would like one of these roosters and 4 of these hens. Let me know. If you want to see how these guys got here, go ahead and check out this playlist right here. I want to thank you for watching. Ask that you subscribe. Leave me a comment. Leave me a thumbs up. Hit that bell. That way you'll be notified when I put out new videos. I'll see you on the next one.